In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Royal Bank of Scotland online banking. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to access your online banking account quickly and securely. Let's dive in and walk through the step-by-step process together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Royal Bank of Scotland's digital banking login page. You have a couple of options here. You can either go directly to the official site by searching for Digital Banking RBS on your browser, or you might prefer to visit the Royal Bank of Scotland's main website. From there, simply look for the Login Digital Banking link, which will direct you to the appropriate section. It's important to ensure that you're on the official website to safeguard your personal information. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to input your customer number or card number. The system gives you flexibility here. You can choose to enter your unique customer number, or, if you find it more convenient, your 16-digit debit or credit card number will also work. This step is critical as it ensures that the bank can correctly identify you as the account holder. Next, after you've successfully entered your customer number or card number, you'll be prompted to provide specific details of your PIN and password. Unlike entering your full credentials, the system will randomly select 3 characters from both your PIN and your password. This might seem a bit complex at first, but it adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if someone has partial information, they can't access your account. After carefully entering the requested characters, click on the Next button to proceed. In some cases, for enhanced security, you may be asked to use a one-time passcode or a card reader. If prompted, the Royal Bank of Scotland might send a one-time passcode or OTP directly to your registered mobile phone. It's typically sent within seconds and should be entered promptly to maintain security. Alternatively, you might be required to use a card reader or card machine to generate this code. These added security steps might feel a bit tedious, but they are essential for protecting your financial information from unauthorized access. And that's really all there is to it. By following these simple and secure steps, you will have no trouble accessing your Royal Bank of Scotland online banking account. Remember to always keep your login information secure and never share your PIN or password details with anyone. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial today, and I hope you found it helpful. Happy banking, and stay safe online.